We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. And we love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.